Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Hotwav W11. So you have to start by swiping down on your screen and then open Settings application, then swipe down and here click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Then click Get Started and select Child or Teen. Now click Next. Now click on Add or Create account for your child. And now you have to enter your child email address. And then click Next. And here you have to enter your child password. Then you have to click I agree. And then click on More and Accept. Now you have to select your account. And here you have to enter your parent email address. And now you have to scroll down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Now click Close. And then click Next. And as you can see, Parental Controls is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.